Welcome to my channel, Best Out of Best. In this video, we'll be discussing about the Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with Smart Countdown, which is manufactured by Swiss Precision Diagnostics, a global leader in women's health diagnostics. Features of the Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with Smart Countdown. Urine-based test. The Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test is a urine-based test that provides results in 3 minutes. It has a high sensitivity, which means that it accurately detects the presence of the human chorionic gonadotrophin at a concentration of 25 international units per milliliter. This meets FDA requirements for home consumers. Digital display. The Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test has a digital display to indicate pregnancy status clearly. Accuracy. The Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test claims to be over 99% accurate in detecting pregnancy when used on the day of your expected period. Early detection. The Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test can detect pregnancy as early as 5 days before your missed period, giving you the ability to find out sooner. FloodGuard technology, which helps prevent user errors and reduces the chance of oversaturating the test stick by absorbing excess urine. This feature ensures that the test is accurate and easy to use. Easy to use with Smart Countdown. The test is easy to use and involves holding the test stick under your urine stream for a few seconds with Smart Countdown. The results are available in 3 minutes. Results in words. Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test provides results in words, eliminating the guesswork or ambiguity that can come with traditional line-based tests. Ergonomic design. The Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test has an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable and easy to handle. After discussing features of the Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with Smart Countdown, now we are discussing pros. Very simple to use. This is easy to use and involves holding the test stick under urine stream for a few seconds. Easy to read. Provides results in clear words for easy interpretation on digital display. Comfortable and easy to handle. Fast detection. Detects pregnancy as early as 5 days before a missed period. Now we are discussing cons. The first con is cost, more expensive than other home pregnancy tests. The second one is battery life. Digital display requires a battery. Third one is limited testing, can only be used once. And the fourth, which is the last one, false negatives, may produce false negative results. If you'd like more information on the Clearblue Digital Pregnancy Test with Smart Countdown, please visit our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.